Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever opened up Google Sheets only to realize that your entire toolbar is suddenly missing, you're definitely not alone. That toolbar at the top holds tons of useful options, things like formatting, inserting tables, and quick access shortcuts that really make your life easier. So when it disappears, it can feel a little like driving a car with the dashboard covered up. You know you can still go somewhere, but you're missing a lot of the helpful controls. Today, I'm going to walk you through a couple of super simple methods to bring that toolbar back so you can get back to work stress-free. First off, let's make sure we're in the right place. If you're already logged into your Gmail, you'll notice in the top right corner of your screen there's a cluster of 9 tiny dots. That's Google's App Launcher menu. These dots are basically your secret doorway to all your Google apps in one place. So go ahead and click on those 9 little dots. You'll see a whole menu pop open, and just look through until you find the green icon for Google Sheets. Click on Google Sheets, and it'll take you to the main dashboard where you can open your spreadsheet or create a new one. Now, once you're inside your Google Sheet, maybe you're already staring at your data, but notice the toolbar's just gone. Don't worry, this happens sometimes. Google Sheets can hide the toolbar to give you more workspace if you accidentally trigger a certain shortcut or click the wrong spot. Here's one of the quickest ways to bring it back. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and F all at the same time. That's Ctrl, Shift, plus F. This keyboard shortcut is kind of like a secret handshake with Google Sheets. It toggles that toolbar on or off instantly. Give it a try. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command plus Shift plus F instead. You might notice the screen flicker for a split second, but after that, the toolbar should pop right back into view at the top of your sheet. Take a moment to check. All those handy formatting icons should be back right where you expect them. But let's say the toolbar still isn't showing, or maybe you're not a fan of keyboard shortcuts. That's totally okay. There's another way to get it back, and it just involves using your mouse. Look carefully in the top right corner of your Google Sheet, right above where your spreadsheet rows and columns are displayed. You'll see a faint little arrow pointing straight upwards. It might be easy to miss if you're not looking for it. This arrow is Google Sheets' way of tucking away the toolbar to give you more space for your data, but it also lets you bring it back just as easily. All you need to do is click on that tiny upward arrow, and just like that, your toolbar reappears at the top of the screen. It's almost like flipping a light switch back on. So whether you prefer using a keyboard shortcut or clicking that little arrow with your mouse, fixing a missing toolbar in Google Sheets is quick and painless once you know where to look. Don't worry if it doesn't work the first time. Sometimes you need to try pressing the shortcut again, or double check you're clicking the right arrow. And remember, you haven't lost your toolbar, it's just hidden, waiting for you to bring it back. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues, or if you have any other Google Sheets questions you'd like answered. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.